Hey, sweet friends, this is your Writing with Phonics, page 19 and 20. All right, so let me get my pen ready here. All right, so this says match the letters. All right, so here is a T. Let's look for a T down here, right there. Here is a B. Let's look for a B down here, right there. Here's an A. Let's look for the letter A down here. Oh, I see it. Here's an L. All right. So let's look right here and write our lowercase b. Our lowercase b is a pull down with a ball, and the pull down goes from the top line to the bottom line, the red line, with a ball in the front, a belly in the front. All right. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a ball. Down with a ball. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a ball. All right. Practice it again. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a ball. Try to keep that ball under the dotted line as best you can. Right here, we're going to write a blend. B. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a dot. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a dot. Pull down with a ball. Pull down with a dot is B. Capital B is a pull down. It goes from the top upstairs to the downstairs. Pull down, hump, hump. 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 Here you go. Let's flip over on the back, and we're going to be reviewing the letter N. We're going to be reviewing the letter N that says Baby bird said All right. Pull down with a hump. 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 All right. Pull down for the capital N, slant right, push up. Pull down, 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 slant right, push up. Bye, sweet friends. Love you guys.